Hello guys, welcome back. I've got another soldering job to do over here with this solder. One of the guys here at work, he's a sharp guy. We're going to help him out. We're going to take, that's a Schottky Diode, two diodes facing each other. We're going to take it out. I'm going to crank up the fan speed over here. I don't know how to do this. Let me see. Do any other surface mounters around here? They actually are. So what we're going to do is this. That's part of the reason why I went and bought the stuff yesterday, and I've cut it up. Let's see. Oh, where's that little blades? Smaller. Yeah. I'm going to cut it smaller, see if I can see if this thing will work. Okay, so what we're going to do is this. Cut this smaller. I don't know how much you guys can see what I'm doing here. So that's like a 90-degree thing. I'm going to cut it smaller. So that you can try and protect, you can try and cover the other ones. So let's see. We can move the board. The board we can move away there, we can move that away there, and we're going to try to cut this much thinner so it will fit in there like that. Like that. Like that, I think that's more than long enough. Yep, cut a piece off there. We'll take a piece like that. We're going to cut. Let me see. Okay, like that, a piece like that. Now I can't see if I'm cutting straight or not. So we're going to cut like this. Cut like that. I'm going to do that. Cut like that. We're going to cut it shorter, otherwise the stuff's not going to fit on the board and that. So I'm going to cut it a bit shorter there. There's that. Cut it shorter. Let's see what we can get right with that. That's why I'm keeping that. I've got the idea of another video, so I'm not brilliant. There's that, like that. To try and protect. Still too thick. Okay, we're going to cut another piece off here. Cut a bit thinner. See if we can get it in there. To see if we can stop the other components from coming off. Let's see like that. Let's see. We can cut it shorter too. Okay, we can cut it shorter like that. Over there. Let's see. There's it. Can you guys see what I'm busy doing over there? I'm trying to protect the other components. There's low surface mounts over there. So I don't know if this is the melt. I don't know what cuck shit I'm busy making here, but we'll soon find out. We're going to learn this whole thing together, right? Little blades, right, let's go. That thing's up there. Flux, first things first.
Under the melders.
Under the melders. Things are starting to look quite hectic over here. Okay, let's put some solder over here. This will require quite a bit of solder. Shit, those legs over there are a problem. Not a problem, but you know what I'm going to do. Like this. Just take a piece. See if that will work. Like that. Yes, because you've got to take those. Like I said, this is a Schottky diode. Two diodes facing each other. And there's a short. I can actually show you guys. The in circuit is a short. So we suspect it's kaput. Lifeless. Useless. Like some of the politicians that we know, useless. Fucked up. See there. There, yes, supposed to test the middle leads first. Yes. So, I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to put some solder on it. Some of the nice solder full of lead, poisonous lead, yummy poisonous lead. Okay. Okay. Oof, we're not losing. Oh, thanks. I think the thing is about to come loose. I should have put a bigger nozzle on it. Too late. Oh, shit. Right, now, that's in my left hand. I need a microscope here. Okay, the other surface mounters are still there. And just, I don't want to put my fingers on there. Here you go. We've got a problem, yeah, there we go. Boom. It's out. Right, there we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, right. So guys, criticize what you want, please do. Tell me where I'm going wrong. I know they're wrong, I should have changed nozzles. In any case, guys, this is the Schottky Diode. Can you guys see it over there? No, we're going to put it over here, there, over there, and we're going to see if it still measures short. Just with so much heat, we might have fried it. In any case, let's go. Right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. So it's not a short.
No. It's something else.
So let's measure between the two legs there, now on the board. There's a short on the board.
No.
So it's not this. So it's not this. So there, guys, lesson learned. Okay, you guys want to see that? Sorry guys. Okay, let's test the diode. Let's measure the physical diode. So from there, let's put the meter there. Move the thing over like that. We can measure from this side as well. There. There's a diode. There's a diode. Let's measure on that side like that. Open circuit, which is good. Good, so it's right. This device is right. But on the board, yeah, you guys hopefully you guys can still see. Maybe a little bit closer. Oh fuck. Okay. There's it. On the board. Yeah, it's a bit crazy around here. Oh, the wire's hanging over here. Okay, we'll do that now. Let's need a good clean up. So there's a short in the board. Let's see if that's what we get to measure in ohms. 0.4 ohms, and we measure the meter leads, let's measure across a piece of solder. 0.3. I wonder if it's this. That's something we'll have to test and let the guys whose board it is, they can carry on with that. Again, if you guys have enjoyed, you get some value out of this. Probably the value you can get out of this is the stupid stuff I'm doing as I'm learning. You guys are, if somebody's learning and you're willing, hit the like button, subscribe if you'd like to go a step further. Buy me a coffee, link is in the description. Right, I'm back. I've done my walk, I've relaxed a little bit. Where's my little helmet with the lenses? There we go. Right, here we go. That's my other table on my desk. We're going to clean this up. There is some solder wig over here, some of it is half used. Put in a little bit of pliers. Now let me see. Now there is a little bit I can use over here. Means I'm put on the soldering iron as well. That warms up quite quickly. Yeah, that thing deserves a clean. Let's put some flux on it, so we can clean these things up. I know I could just put it back, and it should be okay. Okay, right, let's go. Let's see how that goes. Let me see, the thing's recording, it's recording, right. This one here, bigger tip. They do exist for these, you can say cheap. For these cheap solar stations, rework stations, whatever. Yeah, so they come loose. This needs to be hot now. Right, let's melt the solder. You see, for things like this, a bigger tip would be much better. But okay, don't get stuck over there. Don't give me up to. Let's see. This stuff is expensive. Let me see. That's still there. See, this is now where the problem comes in. On a big pad like this, yeah, it becomes a problem. Okay, right, let's put that away in any case. Wipe the soldering iron clean. Bring the hot air with a little corner thing of mine. Oh, it goes under the transformer over there. By the way, I think we showed you guys that device is fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's connected to a transformer. There's a coil there. Here we go. Here it runs. Oh, it's a beautiful run. That's beautiful. It's very pretty. It ran. Okay, so remember, I don't have much experience in surface mounted. There you go. That runs. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Right. Now, the device, Schottky Diode. What makes it more difficult is I don't have a microscope. So I've got to go quite close. I've got to go quite close to be able to see it. And I've got it in the air, the hot air. There's it. Okay, right. Yeah, shifted. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I'm holding that to my. Let's put that in there. Like that. Okay, let's do left-handed. I can develop the other side of my brain, maybe. Okay, there's it. Okay, that's gone down. That's fine there. I think that might be done. Okay, a little bit of trial and error. That's how things go. Let's see, is it soldered? Okay, that's soldered. I've got another little lever. I mustn't apply too much pressure. One of these things I use to open the monitor. Okay, that looks good. That cools down quite quickly. Still warm. Yeah, that thing's taken. Those legs have taken. wonder if I shouldn't put some more heat on that. Maybe I should, huh? Put some more flux. Some more flux. Put the thing back to protect those two surface mounted diodes. That I saw that in one of the videos I watched. So guys, go watch videos. Yes, it's very nice for me to do this. I need an extra pair of hands now. How the hell am I going to do this? I need to hold that down and feed the solder. Poof. Let's just hope it doesn't over there. I can still hold it down with the tweezers. Here we go. That's fun. Ooh, it's raining there. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. I'm going to try to show you guys how it's raining there. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so let's take that out there. That thing's a little bit warm, heavy. Okay, so now let's have a look to see if you guys can see next to the cap. So it ran in there beautifully. I hope it's in focus. So that's beautiful. Right. Right, so I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to test it again. There's going to be a short there because of the transformer that's there. My little cover for my needle. Safety always first, guys. I don't want to inject myself with some flux. It's not going to help me. Right, multimeter. Multimeter. Let me see, where is the space for you guys to see. Diode test. Put on top here for you guys to see. Can you see that? You can see that. Oh, okay, I'll have to move you. Don't worry, just sit still there. Please be patient. There, upside down. Is it upside down? Yeah, you can see, but it doesn't matter. I can get into that. Right. Put this in there. There to. There's a diode. You see, there's a cap involved over here. If you go there, there's a short between those two legs. Yeah, exactly as it was. It's fine. Between that and that. See, it means the track is taken. Beautiful. Beautiful. Guys, thank you very, very much for watching. Subscribe. Hit the like button, please. That really helps. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think I did wrong. And I'll accept because I don't know much about this. I'm learning. This is all learning for me. So tell me what you see I've done wrong. If you feel you've learned something and you'd like to contribute, you're welcome to buy me a coffee. Thank you very, very much. Be safe. Keep healthy, everybody. Cheers.